In today's session, we will study the topic singular matrix and non-singular matrix. But before that, we'll see what is determinant of a matrix. The determinant of a matrix A is denoted by A enclosed by a pair of lines or det of A. For example, suppose our matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then determinant of A is equal to determinant of 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll find determinant. So 1 into 4 is 4 minus 3 into 2 is 6. So 4 minus 6 is minus 2. So determinant of A is equal to minus 2. Now we'll see what is singular matrix and non-singular matrix. Now first, singular matrix. A square matrix A is singular if determinant of A is equal to 0. So if determinant of A is equal to 0, then that matrix A is called singular matrix. Next is non-singular matrix. A square matrix A is non-singular if determinant of A is not equal to 0. That is, if determinant of A is not equal to 0, then that matrix is called non-singular matrix. Next is properties of determinant of matrix. First property is determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. Now we'll see some sums on this property. If A is equal to 3, 2, minus 5, 4, 5, 0 and B is equal to 5, 1, minus 2, 3, 0, minus 1, then find first one determinant of AB and second one is AB a non-singular matrix. So first we will find AB. We want determinant of AB. So then we will find determinant of AB. Then we will decide whether that AB is non-singular matrix or not. So here first we will find AB. So A into B is equal to, this is our matrix A and this is our matrix B. So A into B. So matrix multiplication. So first row, first column, 3 into 5, 15. Then 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 5 into 0 is 0. Then first row, second column, 3 into 1, 3. 2 into 3, 6. Minus 5 into minus 1 is plus 5. Then second row, first column, 4 into 5, 20. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. 0 into 0 is 0. Then second row, second column, 4 into 1 is 4. 5 into 3 is 15. 0 into minus 1 is 0. So 15 minus 4 is 11. So it is 11. Then 3 plus 6 plus 5 is 14. Then 20 minus 10 is 10 and 4 plus 15 is 19. So this is our matrix AB. Now we will find determinant of this matrix. So determinant of AB is equal to determinant of 11, 14, 10, 19. So we'll find determinant of this matrix. So 11 into 19 is 209 minus 10 into 14 is 140. So 209 minus 140 is 69. So determinant of AB is not equal to 0. So determinant is not equal to 0 means matrix AB is non-singular matrix. Now next sum, if A is equal to matrix 2, 1, 0, 3 and B is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, minus 2, verify that determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. So here first we will find AB, then determinant of AB. So let us find AB. So A into B is equal to, this is our matrix A into matrix B. So first row, first column, 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 into 3 is 3. Then first row, second column, 2 into 2, 4. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Then second row, first column, 0 into 1, 0. 3 into 3, 9. Then second row, second column, 0 into 2, 0. Then 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 minus 6 is minus 6. So this is our matrix AB. So now we'll find determinant of AB. So determinant of AB is equal to determinant of 5, 2, 9, minus 6. So here cross multiplication. So 5 into minus 6 is minus 30. Then minus sign. 9 into 2 is 18. So minus 30 minus 18 is minus 48. So determinant of AB is equal to minus 48. So this is equation number 1. Now we will find determinant of A and determinant of B. So our A is matrix 2, 1, 0, 3. So determinant of A is equal to determinant of 2, 1, 0, 3. So 2 into 3 is 6 minus 0 into 1 is 0. So 6 minus 0 is 6. So determinant of A is equal to 6. Then determinant of B. So matrix B is 1, 2, 3, minus 2. So determinant of B is equal to determinant of 1, 2, 3, minus 2. So 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, minus 3 into 2 is 6. So minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8. So determinant of B is minus 8. So now we will multiply determinant of A with determinant of B. So determinant of A into determinant of B is equal to determinant of A is 6. So 6 into determinant of B is minus 8. So 6 into minus 8 is equal to minus 48. So from 1 and 2, determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B.